My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back.
Out and the leadership of IPOP, but they have to look into this. Out very necessary. Director shouldn't be commanding IPOP from detention center. That is my opinion. So if they deem fit to do the needful, they do the needful. Command and control, onye na of man and command. Once the person is incapacitated, they reduce I derive all his office command. So that Kanda Flanya made the command. Kaimalu, Onaira, Malum Bendilo, Tunuzia from detention center. Likely people are not happy. For you to tell Onibo to go and open his shop and he's in the house, the people are willing to move. You got to go? The people are willing to move. People, you are ezigbo onye Igbo na-azụ afịa. Ezigbo onye Igbo. Na je ekpope shop ya. Ọpụta ụtụtụ Monday, park si ya moto na ya. Ogosi na ha ghọtara ihe na-eme. And that's our people. How we want this kind of collective consciousness over something. You got to go? And that is what is happening now. Just look at after moto ana nchobe mjegota anu na slaughter now. Obu na onwero moto pon. Obu na moto apụ. Ona mu wa ya apụzi nna m. Achubu mo onwe m na ego. So it's just we have to move like others. The kind of powerful IPO, the IPOP, the Ekwesiroka. Kanda Ali, I get take chances. Ekwesi take chances. I got the brilliant Mulanya. Because our leaders are of ma. Just for the moment, Mazi should be. Aga relieve you of his duties. That's how I will put it. Until they're free to lead us again. Because he has public service. You can hire up your highest command that the whole detention center of DSS. If you be nothing. And then another by any dish out command is not proper. It's not proper. No matter how you reason it, it's not proper. Command cannot be coming from our enemy's camp. It's not proper. Negotiate my this at home. They should do it with people which are the DOS. But anyway, DOS, I don't too much blame them. I don't too much blame them. Because how can I make other center? But they should, common sense should tell you that your highest command cannot be in detention and be giving you command, because even if he has his duties, they will be torturing him. I can name all sort of things because I'm an onion last person. But anything na command. Then it will help him. That they should free him so that his people will see him. That's the only way he can speak and they listen. Yeah, game. I am a Kai make a zombie. This is a game. Yeah, game can answer. You got to go. release me to my people so that they can obey my command. If you want me to stop the sit at home, I have to come out and speak on my own. I cannot pass it through message. They will not believe me. Simple. Or help the situation. I leave when I command there. To power is not good for him either. Not for him, not good for the struggle. Simple reasoning, simple common sense. Mazi should be relieved of his duties for now. Oh yeah, and the most because the situation in people are disobey Lord Nnamdi Kanu. No, people are not fucking happy, and it's not all about IPOP and Nnamdi Kanu. Even the way people, the economy is killing people. So they are using this opportunity of Nnamdi Kanu and IPOP to know whether they can strangle this country once and for all. So it's not only about Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOP thing. Even a way guys naturally minus Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOP, people are not happy. Because when I bomb my WhatsApp, I'm doing live video after we talk. When I bomb my WhatsApp, I'm doing live video after we talk. Please stop calling me. So that's it. To the extent na chief follow. As only you just pass the and suspend the visit at home. Oju. Is a call for a visit. Kabo Kangunu Kebonem is a call for a visit because if IPOP command lose control of the people, if people lose trust in them, they can no more obey what is coming from there. Because after they has a legal compromise. And overall the fault of the command. But the structure, how the meaning of the command and control. Command and control means that your highest command has the highest say. Once the highest command is incapacitated, the other people will move on your command and control. When you are doing command and control, an enemy have your highest command, and you are still taking command from there. You don't know what is command and control. Your command and control are go to indicated. That's the cocoa. So I get a revisit here. IPOP highest command should revisit any message that is coming from Maz from DSS. Obona icho iga n'iru. Nisikwa m kwuo uche m si na icho iga n'iru. We should do it that way. Maz pụta. Oh, yeah, go inside. Yeah. Go inside. What's it so? Until Maz are they free to lead these people again. His duty Nebon, all way Nebon, command the Nebon, but for the moment on Triamalebon. If you be your leader yourself, you never command. Amazimu Kaburu I see when as in you there. Yes, so when I sit at home, no choke, they should bring him out. Kafugodi and Kabanya. Oh, good night, Afugi and I the show on Abuja. Yes. On where they can seeing is believing. That Nasi as you know. No, seeing can you cook with. You gotta compare here for Nanya and here no Nanti. Alichuku Makulegu see na here for Naya Bezo can no Nanti Bass. You got to go the point. Obro no na in adult to the capacity of our barrister. But our barrister should also work so that the people tell the DOS that today people sat at home, that the message is not working, that they should do more to bring the leader of indigenous people of Biafra out. Come them mad for her. Afugodi anya na obi ndị mmadụ ebutu. Amalugoduli na odigoduli nke bụ ndụ. Then amalugoduli na ọnụ ha. Amalu na anụrụ abụrụ ofu. So people are indoors. Onye pụ ilo ndị mụ adịm akwakọ ịpụ adịm akwakọbụ m ịpụ but adịm apụzi. Akwakọbụ m ịpụ but unfortunately aghọtara m ihe na-eme. So, my people, I think we have to use common sense in this our movement. Common sense got a little involved. You know what I go? Because I don't see reason. I just make the way I see me now. I even do why we uche. I achieve something. Now, these Taliban people, for example, I've been watching the movie of all these foreign resistant Yana. Also, I say, terrorists or something. Go and watch 24 minutes. You see, have their shovels 247. They change leadership. You could share this leadership. Another person I put bido call. They don't stay one place because na kuchi go phone. Because every aga kuchi as onye na-eme resistance. The authority ga na-achụgharị gị na-achụkwa ha ọ ka esi eme ya. Ọ bụzi nke anyị akụchi ofu onye anyị adịzie dormant. The people jụkwara ajụ o. People ekwe ebe onye Igbo jụrụ na onye jezụzi afịa ịma na nsogbu adịgo. So the command should take up this opportunity with seriousness. Yes. Should take this opportunity with seriousness. Siti uche na ya. Because here come command along with the people. Once the command is not working with the people, nsogbu adịgo. Isi na-arụ anọkọrọ ọnụ nsogbu adịgo. Egbupụrụ anyị isi arụ atọgbọlụzie ebe ọ nọ. So it's like na egbupụghị isi anyị na anyị nwa atọgbọlụzie na the sit at home order na ya akwụsịzi. So this need to connect with the arụ ka o nwee ike na-emove the arụ. Ka anyị ghara ikwe ka egbupụ the isi. Because disconnect ya the isi with the body. Ọ ga-ebu aka. You got to go? And that's myself. People no know. Bro, gonna go. People no. This is 5 minutes to 9 o'clock. After 7 o'clock, people have to go. This is almost 9 o'clock. And everybody's in the house. As you can see. Everybody is in the house. One day, you check the express, Kamama, Mutana, Bali, Abuze. So that's it. Upon since I call off since Friday, every day, that's not the people are not there. So the commander didn't madam. If the federal government thinks that every Monday neutralize is affecting them, maybe on NECO and WAEC, that's their problem. They know now and there's even more problem for them to do the needful. If they are not holding Mazi, they should tell us that Mazi is not in their hand, so that the people can move on and know that they are not holding Mazi. If they are holding Mazi, they should up the man. The man. It is all half we are and I'll be our last court. Will be a lonely mother and I'm good no go to Abuja. Will be a low people. Will be a lonely mother. When we come all about sick of going who are. Onicha, don't think in a fiasco on each other. I know poor Bella, Malum, Poto. And before now, put to a free. But I don't think in Onicha. Can they also the affair here? Looking at them. I feel my. I know I'm Marco Bear, they as well. You know, I'll be a Monday, they as well. Marco Bear, but still, people are not happy. That's the point. So they are using opportunity of Najin and the Kanu and IPOP, free Nnamdi Kanu to give full support to Yanem based on you when you naturally you when you go people minus Najin and the Kanu naturally you when you go people. The Kuzian and Canadian and the Kanu the thing where boy the Kuzo people the more. So that's it. That's the report from my angle. In Anya and Bem. Then it was Mama Afiazo, go up, Putaje check it. I was an Afiazo, I apotaba. As for me, I brought more a check. I did my house.
Me and you got me no more than free. Me and you got me no more than free. Never need a lose your calling. And what can
Valley. It's very horrible. It's very, very bad. It's very, very bad. I think I have to go and continue with my sleep. Just about officially Zunike is on us every Monday. I just so you can no ya didn't do na true ego. Ofu onye ada bụ na ụmụnna so ya azụ. Ofu onye ada bụ ụmụnna, ofu onye ada bụ obodo. Anyị nwụta akwụkwọ afọ. Anyị nwụta ife akwa ka ife enwe. Biafra anyị na-achọ bụ ndị ọwụwa anyanwụ. Anyị ga-enweta otu anyanwụ asị achake otu aka Biafra esi chake one day. Chasa everywhere. Anyị nwebe aṅụrị. Ọ bụrụ na anyị nwee Biafra ihe isi ike ya n'ozugbo mba. Anyị nwee Biafra ya enwe ike lụnwe onwe anyị ọrụ kwuo okwu n'onu anyị na-aghọta. You got the point? Like otu Obianọ Governor of Anambra State. Onwe ihe o mere ebe agha dị ibe ihe ndị Fulani ndị nọkwa ebe ahụ ndị Anambra State ma ebe anị ya dị na village. Anyị na-ede ịlụ one on one as ndị Anambra. Yọtago ihe o ji ama mma. Ọ bụghị kind of Nigeria Fulani na-achị onye South kwuo okwu. Asị na maka na ọ bụghị nwanne ha na-achị. Then onye South na-achị onye North kwuo okwu. Asị na ọ ka ha si eme na ndị Fulani na ndị Hausa Fulani. Ọ bụ anyị achọghị that kind of scenario. We want a scenario whereby ndị na-anụ Hausa ji echiba ndị Hausa. Ndị na-anụ Igbo ji echiba ndị Igbo. Ji echiba ndị Igbo. So that onye amesi ya up anyị ma ebe oke anyị ya dị na village. Anyị na-ede ịlụ asị ụmụnne. Anyị treat fuck up ya asị nwanne anyị. Yotago? Onye ka anyị ji ekwu maka ya. Ọ bụghị anyị bute Buhari ka anyị treat fuck up ya ndị North abịa dachie si anyị na nwanne ha rapịa. Ma ebute Goodluck e treat fuck up ya ndị South anọchie si na nwanne ha ka rapịa. Nigeria is full of ethnic sentiment. Onye ka ụjọ dị mma. Onye ka ụjọ dị mma. So ọ bụghị na-enwe Biafra your problem inwe ego overnight. No. But it will help us to structure the kind of society we want. Also, I don't know, 5 years we went on one or but we need that particular clan, that particular landmark. You understand? War in Anos between us is not your problem. Apply the war or why I know there and Chico why on. But the fact remains that we need to go.
So we just understand that the people now believe in what they want, and what the people really need right now is to continue the Monday ghost day. They need the seat at home. That is what they need. If you see the whole of Biafra land, they observe the seat at home. That means this is what the people need, and we must listen to the voice of the people, because a good leader must be able to listen and carry along every one of his members. So I urge the DOS to look into this issue and think of the way forward to help the present situation. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. If you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. Bye bye.